We were looking into some environmental studies questions where we have discussed about some water pollution and environmental policies regarding. Now we will discuss on some other concepts where it will also be dealt with the environmental policies. So what is the main reason for acid mine drainage? The main reason will be the dirty gold mining. Dirty gold mining often lead to the persistent problem known as acid mine drainage. The problem results when underground rock disturbed by mining is newly exposed to air and water. Acidic water draining from the mine sites is more concentrated than the acid rain. That is the reason. So which of the following is a liquid metal? I hope this answer many of you might have known about it. It's mercury. Mercury is a liquid metal. It is used in the artisanal and small scale gold mining to extract the gold from rock and sediment. Mercury reaches the rivers, atmosphere and lakes, oceans. The use of mercury in gold mining is causing a global health and environmental crisis. What is the main reason for releasing of mercury into the Amazon's water? So it is the gold mining is the answer. So the main responsible reason is that because it releases large amount of mercury into the water, Amazon's water and air. So it is a poisoning thing for plants, animals, fish and people. Gold mining increase agumbodhu, we will have some dangerous effects on the health of the population around them, around that mine. What is the main cause of industrial pollution? Lack of policies to control the pollution. So there must be good number of policies to control with it, and it should be actively present. So for a sleeping condition, it should be in an active way. The law should work in an active way. What is the term used for the use of resources for industrialization? Extraction. Industrialization makes use of resources from the land, water, wood, plants, fossil fuels, etc. This has an effect on the environment. Since demand goes up, more quantities of minerals and ores are extracted from the land. When did the air pollution on earth happened first time? When humans started using the firewood. So the origin of air pollution on earth can be traced when humans were starting using this firewoods as means of cooking and heating the food items. So in 400 BC itself, the Hippocrates mentioned air pollution. As the years passed, air pollution keeps on increasing. Who made the first anti-pollution law? It was made by King Edward I. He was the first one to create this anti-pollution law. Using the coal for domestic heating in the year 1273. In 1300, another act was for banning use of the coal was passed, defying the law led to severe punishments. Then which was the first major disaster of air pollution? It is the London smog. So air pollution became a serious problem in London during the Industrial Revolution. The earliest recorded major disaster was the London smog that occurred in 1952. So it led to 4,000 deaths. So it was a very disastrous thing. What is the significance of black color moth in Europe during 19th century? Indication of air pollution. In Europe, so in Europe during 19th century, a black form of the peppered moth began appearing in industrial areas. The normal pepper patterned moths were successful in surviving the clean non-industrial areas. Only black colored moths were successfully adopted themselves in the industrial areas. So what is the main cause of increase in air pollution in 20th century? It is the development of the transport system. So in 20th century began to increase with the development of the transportation system and large scale use of the petrol and diesel usage. So pollution due to auto exhaust is a serious environmental issue. Okay, this is about the third unit. So we have so far seen 3 units in environmental studies. The 4th unit will be about the social issues, human pollution and the environment. So I'm ending up the session for today here with the third unit. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you are listening to me actively. Thank you all. Thank you. Okay, then have a good day. We will catch up in the next session. Thank you all.